Hi everyone and welcome to a Photoshop tutorial on Photoshop. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do an amazing eye effect in Photoshop, just using a few simple techniques. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is select the pen tool. I know what you guys are thinking, the pen tool. I hate the pen tool too, so don't worry. But we're just going to zoom in on the eye a little bit here and just do a quick little path around the eye. Now to set a path, use these options. You want path selected and then pen tool and exclude overmapping path areas, which is the last one to the right. So just go ahead and make a path around the eye. Okay, so now that we have our path, it's not perfect, but we can edit that later. Go to the Path tab, and you'll see your work path there. Go ahead, right-click it, and select Make Selection. We're going to set the feather to 3, and click OK. Now we're going to make this a little bit more precise. So select the Quick Select tool by pressing W, and then select the little negative up here. And just work around the eye, and just get rid of all the stuff that you don't like part of the skin. Okay, so that looks good. So now what we're going to do is just select copy and then paste onto a new layer. Now what you're going to want to do is press Ctrl U, and what this will bring up is the hue/saturation toolbox. And if you drag this, you'll notice that the color of the eye changes, which is what we want to do. So I'm going to select purple today, because that's just something you never see anyone have. And you can fool around with the saturation and stuff. I'm just going to select bring the saturation down a little bit, because to make it look a little bit natural. And bring the lightness down. Okay. And now we're going to work on cleaning up the outside. I mean, this looks pretty good, but it's not completely convincible, because the outlines of the eye are really sharp. So now we're going to create another new layer, and put this in between the eye layer and the original eye layer. You're going to use your eyedropper tool. Just select a color, shade of the purple from the outside regions. So I'm going to choose this purple right here, and now we're just going to use the brush and just brush this on very, very small. We're going to hide the eye layer, the affected eye layer, and as you guys can see, this is my outline of what I have. So now we're just going to take our burn tool very smallly. We're just going to apply a burn. Okay, now bring back up the eye layer and lower the opacity very slightly. Okay, good. And now we're pretty much done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope I can see you next week with my new Photoshop tutorial. You guys want to stay tuned, it's going to be really awesome. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.